Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M04. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app and enter it. Thanks to this app you've got access to your internal storage divided on categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other apps, favorites, save folder and internal storage. From the menu you can go to Trash Can and then you can clean your junk files. Also, you can use Nearby Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.